So for the cylindrical slab, what you have to do, you have to do the same thing again. So I have to unfortunately copy this thing again. I can't copy, so I have to create it again. What was the length? 60, right? So let me start. Uh, 60, hit enter, 30, enter, 60, enter, 150, enter, 60, enter, minus 150, enter, then just join it here properly. Then again line, that is 20, hit enter. Wrong. No, I have to 20, hit enter. Array 20. Now what you have to do? Tell me. Yeah, guys, just have to copy. I know you did not do say it right. So now I'll move this, turn on the copy, select this point, place it here. Okay, escape. See here in this video, our video, I have to delete these lines also here. This wala. Sorry. Okay, let me delete all this. Delete because I don't want them right now. Right? I can delete them. Control, select, select, select. Why delete? Delete, delete, escape. Huh? Now I have to delete this. Okay, I'll delete bro. I did not give, so I'll give how much? 25. Same way I'll give 25 here. Okay, now I have just joined this. Okay, so hit escape. I have to do one small changes here. I'll delete these lines. 60, enter, 30, enter. See, it's just why I deleted those lines is because I have to do this right for cylindrical slab. So why not I do this first and then copy this whole thing like that properly. Right. Now arc by center point, select the center, put it here, center, put it here, intersection, intersection. What are this? Okay, nothing. So now I'll copy this whole thing. Move, copy is on. I'll place it here. Okay, escape. So now I have to delete this. Then I have to delete this. Then I have to delete this. Done. Now what I have to do? I have to join from here to here, here to here, here to here. Then now see here from this tangent to this tangent to this. It escaped. Now split. Sorry. Split the lines. This curve should be splitted. It should be splitted over. And I have to split this also, but I won't be doing that right now. And now what I'll do, I'll select all this first, this. Okay, now I'll make it as 0.4. You make it 0.4 since it should be visible to you guys. I'm making like this. So these lines are hidden. Okay, 3 ones. So I'll make it 0.35 and hidden. See, now I have to actually make this as what to say visible edges, but first I will have to place it, right? So now see, if you have to place, just place it against the same way I did. Okay, suppose I have to place this cube itself, which you had solved in previous problem. I'll just move this. What I have to select the center. Okay, then I have to come here, I have to come exactly center. So this is the center. Hit escape. Zoom in. I don't want this line. I'll delete it. Okay. So now see, I can select this. So first I'll split the line. I mean the curve. Where I have to split it in the intersection. I have to split it in the intersection. Escape. So this becomes my. I'll make it 0.35 hidden and control this and this. Zoom out. They are visible. I'll just use this. See, done, right? This I'll move it here. Then to give the height of the slab, I'll show like this. Then I'll show this line like this. I'll give the angular dimensions. Actually, I could have done this in the next video. Yeah, so not a problem. So if you are listening to this, I have just split this video, okay? So don't get confused. So that's it. I can move this entire thing. Oh man, copy was on. Okay, move. Done. Okay, so see you in the next lecture. Tata, bye bye, good night.